September is back to school month, so our Technique Thursday video is a guide to rotary cutting from Sally Ann Harrison, an essential skill for today's quilter. In this comprehensive workshop she covers the equipment you need and how to use it safely. This might be the beginning of your first sampler quilt, but that's another story. With 5 Fridays we have lots on offer to keep you busy. There are 3 more expert tips from quilter Claire Campion, as she helps us with our sewing machines, explains why a walking foot is a must-have accessory, and how, interestingly, she uses her backing fabric as the guide to choosing colours for the front of her quilts. And textile artist Dion Swift is back, suggesting exercises to improve our free motion sewing. And for the knitting enthusiasts this month, Daphne Morris is in the studio, sharing various additional tips while knitting this wonderful beret that she designed. Plus, we have the first part of her knitted throw sampler that was previewed back in August, starting with this knitted brick block. Paula Doyle is showing us how to use a folded freezer paper for your foundation piecing, which is a very clever technique that doesn't have you tearing away any papers. And Angela Damon is back in the Justhands-on.tv studio with her stunning Cantha embroidery class. Meanwhile, Valerie Nesbitt shows us how to make this diamonds and chain patchwork quilt using some stunning Alison glass fabrics, but anything bright and cheerful would work. And our new tutor, Anita Bertels, demonstrates her till roll crumb quilting with this very clever scraps workshop, so no fabric is wasted. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.